Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, to compare the display issues between all of these 5 smartphones which I got right now. Yes friends, each phone has got their own display issues. Yes, absolutely. And one more quick note, these issues are not 100% all the users will be facing. Only few users will be facing these kind of issues. I'm trying to mention again, only few users, not 100% all the units will be having this kind of issues. So in case if you buy one of the phone and try to check with this kind of issues, do you have this kind of issues or not? If you have the issues, try to apply for the replacement. So within that kind of time duration, that is the reason of me uploading this kind of video. I'm not targeting any company, I'm not promoting any company. I'm trying to show you the facts, what is happening in the realistic possible. Yes. So regarding the display issues, these are problems you can actually face it in the display problems. Green tint, flickering, color bleeding and other issues. I'll try to explain you. For every problem, there is a video which I uploaded for everything as a proof. Only looking at the proof only I'll be talking like this, friends. Without proof, I will never ever talk. All the proofs I did upload the video separately for each and every phone. You can check those videos in case if you're interested. If you cannot find the proof, try to type in the YouTube green tint Realme X7 Max Sai Tech Guru, green tint MI11X Sai Tech Guru. You will find all my videos in the YouTube. Same way, flickering also, flickering phone name Sai Tech Guru. I'm trying to mention this thing because few of the users, they will definitely say, so bro, I'm not facing any issues. All those issues, only your unit is defective. Please buy a Mera unit. My unit is not defective. Few of the users, they're also facing this kind of issues. That is the reason I'm trying to mention this kind of issues. In the Realme X7 Max, these are the issues which I'm trying to face. Right now, that is what I'm trying to exactly show you. What are the main issues? I'm saying again, these are not 100% all the users will be facing. Only few users will be facing this kind of issues. Please try to understand. My main motive of uploading this kind of issues video is because if you receive the mobile phone and if you feel this kind of issues you are facing, you can apply immediately for the replacement. Just imagine friends, after the replacement period is over and if you got to know this kind of problems, what will you do? You cannot do anything. That is the reason I'm trying to show you all the issues now itself. So you should know, you should be prepared. If you don't get the issues, no problem at all. And in the Realme X7 Max, you will be seeing this kind of line when you're watching the 480 videos and 720 videos. That is the reason I thought of mentioning. Not all the phones, only few users, they did mention. They're getting really frustration and irritation. And some people, they did even sell this mobile phone as well, the Realme X7 Max, because the issue is not getting fixed. And this is the one issue which I thought of just mentioning regarding the line while watching the videos. And next is Prime HD. In the beginning, the Prime HD is not supported in the Realme X7 Max. But after doing the factory reset, it is supported in the Realme X7 Max. Yes friends, after the factory reset I was able to get the Prime HD without any problem perfectly. Now I am getting the Prime HD, but in case if you don't get, try to do the factory reset, the problem may get fixed in your mobile phone. So that is the reason I thought of informing you. In case if you buy the phone and if you're facing this kind of issue, you should know what is happening. Touch sampling rate. The Realme X7 Max, the company did claim the phone has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate, and in my unit I'm getting about close to 240 Hz, not 360 Hz, only 240 Hz. Let me show you friends. There's an application which is called the touch multitest. So right now we are seeing about close to 360 Hz number, but 360 minus 120 Hz refresh rate you need to do. And if you ask me why, every time I do the touch sampling rate comparison, you will definitely understand. You need to do the minus thing. 360 minus 120 Hz, so touch sampling rate is 240 Hz. But other phones are able to display exactly whatever the company is claiming. So 480 Hz, perfect. 360 Hz, perfect. 300 Hz, perfect. Same application I tried in different phones. They're working 100% perfect, no issues. And Oneplus Nord 2, that's another level, I'm not sure. I'll try to talk about the Oneplus Nord 2 later on. But this is one thing, not me, maybe few of the users they're actually facing. And my model is 8GB RAM variant. 8GB RAM variant. I'm not sure about the 12GB. What are the problems with the 12GB? But these are the issues can be there with the displays of the Realme X7 Max. I'm saying again and again, these problems not everyone will face. Only few users may face the problem. That's a please try to understand. I'm not trying to point out any kind of issues or any kind of, I'm not targeting any company at all. I'm just trying to show you the facts, and every problem is a video I did upload. Next is the Poco F3 GT. The Poco F3 GT has got the screen bleeding issue which I did upload a couple of hours ago on this issue. And when you try to use the game turbo mode, I mean game enhancement options, when you're trying to play the games, if you try to use this kind of option which is called this kind of boosting colors, as you can see, as soon as you start using these options and if you try to go back to the home page, I mean back to the menu, and if you try to use any other different applications, you may see this kind of screen bleeding might happen. Yes, this is the one thing which Poco F3 GT has got. I did show in the video demonstration. You can watch those issues, how it is, and in what circumstances you will be able to see it. That's the one thing. And next is the flickering at high brightness. Yes, the Poco F3 GT started to flicker a little bit kind of more. So even after using this kind of option, which is the anti-flickering option is there, even after using this option as well, the phone started to flicker more. So if you want to know more details about that, just in the YouTube, don't worry. In the YouTube, just type flickering Poco F3 GT Sai Tech Guru. You will get my video and you will watch it and you will understand what is the problem exactly. These are the two problems the Poco F3 GT has got. And if you ask me, there is no phone which is close to the perfect. I'll try to explain at the end which phone is close to the perfect. That is what I'm trying to mention clearly. And next is a OnePlus Nord 2. In terms of the OnePlus Nord 2, what is the OnePlus Nord 2's problem? OnePlus Nord 2 has got only one problem. I think even the touch sampling rate is also another problem, but I'll try to explain later. But this is a low light flickering issue. So in the OnePlus Nord 2, there's a low light flickering issue is going on. So which may not be that much of a serious problem for some of the users, but if you are very sensitive, you'll definitely understand this kind of problem. Let me just show you, friends. So whenever you try to use with the low brightness, you'll be able to see some kind of flickering is going on. So the problem is that before the Oxygen OS should have this kind of DC dimming or some other options, but right now there is no such kind of option to enable these features. But alternate, there is a solution for that. So make sure to check this video in case if you want to know the solution. Yes, alternately there is a fix for that, but I just want to inform you all. There's a low light flickering problem, so you can find the solution, you can fix it. That's not a problem. Another thing is a touch sampling rate. Touch sampling rate of this OnePlus Nord 2 is 120 Hz. Yes. So right now I'm getting about close to, I think 210 I'm getting the number, but 210 minus 90 Hz refresh rate you need to do. So you'll get the 120 Hz refresh rate in this OnePlus Nord 2. That's another thing which you should know once you're spending 30,000 rupees of money on this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So these are the few things which I thought of mentioning, friends. And next is the Mi11X device. What is happening with the Mi11X smartphone? So Mi11X, there's a lot of happening. Yes, I'll try to explain you each and everything. So first is the green tint. Yes, the Mi11X has got the green tint, not all the units. So not all, only few units has got the green tint problem. I'll try to explain. I'll try to show you the live proof in the, if you try to look at the Amazon ratings, you will definitely find all the videos which the users they did upload. And next problem is a black color crush issue. So black color crush issue, you can see the video images, how it is in the Amazon. As you can see, friends, this is the black color crush issue. Not only that, there's another green tint issues as well. All these kind of images you can actually see in the Amazon, not only in the Amazon, friends, even in my unit also I got the green tint problem which is going on in my phone. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning. So this phone has got touch sampling rate of 360 Hz. It's working 100% fine. Same application I did use, let me to open that application. Where is it? Yes. There's no problem with the touch sampling rate. It was showing exactly, now I'm getting, as I can see, friends, 480 I'm getting. So 480 minus 120 Hz refresh rate. So 360 Hz touch sampling rate is present in this phone. 100% working fine, no issues with the touch sampling rate. So you should not be worried at all. And next is the auto brightness decreasing. So if you don't know what is auto brightness means, the phone brightness will decrease automatically when the temperatures are really higher. For example, when you're trying to play the few games for Genshin Impact, let's consider Genshin Impact. So temperatures will really get higher and higher. So with the high temperatures, what happens? The phone brightness will decrease automatically. So the brightness level will not decrease. The brightness percentage will decrease. I mean, let me just show you, friends. So right now I did keep it close to 80%, as you can see clearly. Let me do exactly. Even though right now it's 80%, now the brightness is really good. So when the temperatures are really high, what happens is that the brightness quality will decrease, but this level will be staying exactly at 80. This won't decrease. This won't decrease, but the whole brightness of the screen will decrease to maintain the temperatures. So that's also another good thing, but it should give the control for the users before telling them that there's the phone temperatures are really higher, can you decrease the brightness? Something kind of prompt message should come. So without even informing the users, the brightness may decrease in the Mi11X device. This, in my experience, I did see that. Yes, I did see this problem, and the green tint also. Black color issue still I did not see. As I said, only few units may have this kind of problem, not all the phones. Whatever problems I did mention in this video. So you should better understand, friends. So it doesn't mean you will face this kind of issues. I'm just trying to inform these problems before you buy the phone. So once you get the phone, so once you see it, if you don't get this kind of issues, then you will be really happy. If you get the issues, you can apply for the replacement or anything. That is the main motive of me uploading this many videos and letting the users know what are the issues. And next, let's come back to the final phone, which is a iQOO 7, which is a true monster. So even this phone has got few issues. First is a green tint issue. Yes, even my unit has got the green tint issue, and not all the phones, only few phones will be having the green tint problem. If you check the Amazon ratings as well, you can definitely find those kind of green tint problems reviews. As you can see, friends, these are the green tint images. So it's same exactly. When in my phone also I used to get this kind of green tint problem, but there's a temporary fix that if you want to avoid this kind of green tint problem, you need to disable this kind of fingerprint scanner on the lock screen. Only then you will be able to avoid this kind of green tint appearing in the notification panel. That's a temporary fix which is there, but I'm just trying to inform you what is happening. And next is a screen flickering. So screen flickering at the high brightness, the iQOO 7, the screen will flicker. That's one thing which is happening from the beginning. I did also mention. And low brightness issue, yes. After the Mi Linux device, the other phone which I did see the low brightness issue is the iQOO 7. So I do remember when I'm trying to do the 3D benchmark test. When I'm trying to do 3D benchmark test, the temperature increased up to 45 degrees in this phone, 45 or 44. So at that time, the brightness automatically decreased. I did mention in the video. So exactly. So these two phones at this moment, they do have this kind of low brightness, automatically they will decrease, but more chances the Mi Linux I did see the more times happening this kind of brightness decreasing automatically. So that's the one thing you should definitely remember. But doing the 3D benchmark only I did see, but while gaming I did see in the Mi Linux device. That is the reason I'm trying to mention each and every small point. So this is the final, friends, which phone is the best for finally, after looking at all the problems, which phone is best for the closest, what is the best phone in terms of the display with less issue. I will try to explain you which phone. Out of this all the problems, I did see the Realme X7 Max has got only one small issue, which is a line issue. And line issue and the touch sampling rate, if these two are perfect in your mobile phone, then this will come to the closest to the perfect phone at this moment, because this phone doesn't have the flickering issue. Whatever I did say, the Realme X7 Max doesn't have any kind of flickering at low brightness or high brightness, no flickering. This one has got flickering, this one has got the flickering issue, iQOO 7 also got the flickering issue. Mi Linux also doesn't have the flickering issue, I think. But at this moment, the Realme X7 Max doesn't have the flickering issue at higher brightness or lower brightness level. That's the one thing. And I didn't see any kind of color bleeding as well in this phone. And there is no green tint as well in this phone in the Realme X7 Max. So that is the reason I'm trying to say, in case if you don't get this kind of issues, then this will be coming closest to the perfect in terms of the display. That's what. So because I did not face a green tint problem, I did not even I didn't get plenty of comments about the green tint issues in the Realme X7 Max. No, I did not get any kind of comment about the green tint. So only few comments which I got about the line and few comments about the touch sampling rate. Apart from that, I didn't get many of the comments. So, but remaining to other phones, I did get plenty of comments about the green tint and flickering and color bleeding and everything. So this is the final conclusion, friends. Now it's up to you to decide. Once you, doesn't matter what phone you buy, try to check these problems. That is the main reason I'm trying to announce this kind of all the issues what I'm facing, not to target any kind of company at all. Don't get me wrong. My main motive of to do this kind of video is to just bring the awareness among the users, because all this money is your savings money and you're saving the money to buy the perfect phone or maybe your dream phone. And once you buy the phone and if you get this kind of issues, green tint issue and flickering issue, color bleeding issue, it will not look good. Yes, definitely, friends, that is the main motive of me uploading this kind of videos, trying to save you the money. So even though you buy the phone, if you receive these problems, try to apply for the replacement. That is another thing which I thought of mentioning. So these are the few things you should definitely understand. Again I'm trying to say I'm not targeting any company. I'm just trying to show you the facts. So the people who follows me for the long time, they'll definitely understand. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And in case if I miss any other problems related to this phone, let me know in the comment section below. And one more thing I forgot. The Oneplus Nord 2 doesn't support the Amazon Prime HD at this moment. No, I totally forgot. Yes, the Amazon Prime HD is not supported in the Oneplus Nord 2. That's the one thing which I thought of. Just remember. Finally, I did remember. I did not forget. So this is the one thing you should definitely note down, friends. OnePlus Nord 2 Amazon Prime HD not supported at this moment. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, see you, friends. Bye.